Welcome to 1011 Beatty Road, Unit C8. This is an updated one bedroom, one full bath apartment home on the second floor. It's in the St. Andrews or Broad River area of Northwest Columbia. We're inside. You can see it is an open floor plan. The front door is here, so you come off the hall, and then you have a coat closet as you enter on the right side here. And then you can see the living room. It's a nice size with a couple of windows out towards the back. There's some common area space behind building C, so it's only behind this building, but so you have a slightly nicer view out of your window. And you can see you're open to the kitchen as well. So you have a nice counter bar off of this peninsula that comes out where you can put a couple of stools. And in the kitchen itself, which is a galley style, you have an included refrigerator, electric stove as well. And then you can see the laundry room is adjacent to that. So you have full-size washer dryer connections in here and some ample shelving as well. And then your bedroom is off of the living space. You have a ceiling fan in here. You can see also it's a very nice sized room. Those same windows looking out towards the back. Closet behind the door. And then in the full bathroom, which is attached, you have some slightly different vinyl wood flooring and a single sink and a nice sized countertop. And then also you have tiled shower and tub over here on the opposite side as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, 1011 Beatty Road, Unit C8 in Northwest Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.